morning in USA was captured by a local resident after he heard a loud noise outside his house. Tom, who filmed it, revealed he then pulled out his phone after spotting something unusual being tracked by the LAPD. He said they were circling non-stop for like 12 minutes. It caught my eye. I thought they were looking for someone, but when I walked outside, something stood out that they were circling. I can't really tell what it was. It sounds ridiculous, but it looked like a craft with two windows on it. And definitely something there. It's black. It got the attention of the LAPD. What can it be? It's a strange object. The video was shared on YouTube channel Third Evasive Moon, where it has racked up several thousand hits. One comment read, "Wow, surprised the military didn't show up or the government, but there are many things we the citizens are not being told about." So once again, an LAPD helicopter for 12 minutes circled this black object over LA. Very strange. What could it be?